Stampin Up demo friends, and welcome to Ready Set Demo. This little video today is to talk about technique classes, why to use them in your Stampin Up business, how to use them, and the fantastic things that they can bring to you and to your customers. Incorporating techniques into your classes isn't just fun, it's a powerful tool for building a thriving, engaged customer business. When you teach a new technique, you're offering more than just a project. You're giving your customers a skill that they can take home and use again and again. It keeps them inspired, builds their confidence, and increases the value that they get from attending your classes and events. Technique-based classes are also one of the best ways to drive class retention. When customers know that there's a new idea around the corner, that we've got the technique of the month, they'll be eager to come back. They won't want to miss the next great tip or trick. And there's a sense of FOMO, a fear of missing out, that helps you create loyal attendees. When I've taught technique classes, I always put them in a memories and more file so that they can actually build up their own techniques. And yes, that is file number 3. You're not going to run out of them, but I'll come back to that in a minute. Techniques also open the door for kind of a natural product suggestions, whether it's a specific stamp set, a tool, ink, embellishment. Each technique gives you the chance to highlight products that make it easy for our customers to continue doing those techniques at home, which of course boosts your sales. So how do we do this in practice? Well, as I said, pick a technique of the month and design a simple card to go with it. They can actually make the sample and also make the same thing for the card. Let me show you what I mean. So when we make our little samples, these are some of my recent ones, you could actually use the exact same one again. So your customers could make 2 and then 1 could go on the front of a card. This was another sample. So they could just make 2 and 1 will go onto a simple card, or you can step it up a little bit more. If you've got experienced customers that can take a more advanced technique and make a bit more of a fancy card with that. So can we step it up and do technique with product classes? Absolutely. Why not do a class that shows lots of ways to use re-inkers or to use our embossing paste or blending brushes? Include a pack of blending brushes in your class. And if you can't think of a technique, I've got you covered. At the time of filming, we're up to 188 techniques, I kid you not. Either just pick one of the mixed ones. So I'm just launching one at the time of filming, which is 36 mixed techniques for all sorts of different levels and experience, all new from my original technique class. Or we've also got those specific classes that you might want to do, like the blending brush one. If you want to know more and you're watching on YouTube, have a little look down at the link to my techniques classes and you'll see everything that is available. In short though, techniques keep your customers coming back. They keep the classes exciting and they'll keep your business growing. And all that while you get to do what you love, which is creating and sharing. So thanks for visiting Ready Set Demo today. Tell me in the comments, do you already do technique classes? Is it something that you want to do? Do you want to just learn some techniques? Just enjoy it all and thanks for visiting today. Bye.